So I'm out here in the forest looking for wild garlic, and apparently we've found some. So let's make something fun.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Starting off, we're going to want 50 grams of wild garlic, 50 grams of fresh basil, half a cup of pine nuts, half a cup of olive oil, extra virgin, the juice of half a lemon, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and a teaspoon of salt. Let's go. Start off by toasting the pine nuts on a medium to low flame. I'm using a pancake pan just because it's quicker. Next, add everything to your little blender. This is the nutritional yeast that I'm using, not a sponsored ad, but it's wicked. And there you go, folks. I'm just going to let the music play and watch the magic happen. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is really, really yummy. Don't forget, if you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that like button. Do subscribe. By the way, let me know in the comments where you guys are from. Introduce yourselves. Don't be a stranger. I have a tendency to reply to pretty much every comment that I get on here. It takes me a little while sometimes, but I do get around to it. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.